Any aspiring swing traders out there? Well, we've got something special for you in the next 2 minutes. Hi, welcome to the official YouTube channel of Blueberry Markets. Remember, if you want an insider's guide to the world of Forex trading, including weekly market analysis videos, how-to guides, and more, make sure you subscribe to the Blueberry Markets YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to take your Forex game to the next level. Today, we'll teach you a simple swing trading strategy that can be used on both bearish or bullish markets. First thing you need to know about this strategy is, it thrives in trending markets. With that said, this strategy should not be used in a ranging market as it will produce inconsistent results. Now, there are a lot of trading strategies out there. What makes this strategy different is how you can use a couple of key indicators including moving averages and the relative strength index. There are 2 steps in this strategy. The first one is to use the 20, 50, and 100 exponential moving averages to identify the trend, and the second step is to use the RSI to determine overbought and oversold conditions within that trend. In a bullish market, it's ideal to have the 20 EMA above the 50 EMA and both above the 100 EMA. We want to see a retracement and retest of the price when it is trading above these moving averages. Then, we need to wait for the RSI to show an oversold condition by falling below the 30 line. If the price does this, and we see bullish price action, then we can go long in the market. What do we do in a bearish market, you ask? Well, we do the opposite. In a bearish market, the 20 EMA needs to be below the 50 EMA, and both need to be below the 100 EMA. When the price is trading below these moving averages, we need to see a retracement and retest with the RSI in an overbought condition above the 70 line. This, combined with the bearish price action, can lead to bearish opportunities, which means you can go short at this point. And here's a bonus tip for you, this strategy can be applied on all time frames. And that concludes our video. Do you think we missed anything? Let us know in the comments below. If you liked what you saw, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on your notifications, so you never miss a video from us. You can also create a live account with us by heading to our website. Please also follow us on our social media, links can be found below. Cheers!